So yeah, it's been curing now for about 2 days, and it seems pretty stiff. I mean, it's not too stiff, but should be good, hopefully. Pretty easy to do. I just degreased it and then put this silicone adhesive stuff in, and the stuff I used is called Sealy's Flexi Seal. Most of the people in the US and that use Window Weld, but couldn't find that here. This was only $12 New Zealand too, so pretty cheap. It's probably about 8 US. Probably used about half maybe. Just packed it full. But yeah, just gonna chuck it back in and take it for a drive, see how it works. It's definitely hardened up a fair bit since yesterday, so it's worth probably leaving it for that long. Could probably even leave it for another day, but seems alright now, so yeah, I'll chuck that in and go for a drive. Well, there you go. That seems to have done the trick. Been driving around for about 10 minutes. Done the trick for now, so hopefully that's all good. A lot more throttle. I mean, it's a lot more powerful too now that the mount's fixed, and I guess like a lot of race car drivers seem to do this trick. I was noticing on YouTube, so this camera's gonna stay still, but that makes sense because the power gets delivered, I guess, easier if the engine's not rocking back and forth. But yeah, pretty happy about that. I'll switch this camera off, it's going to slide off the dash in a minute. But yeah, it seems to have done the trick, fixed it, so it's worth a shot. Cost me some $10 US. So yeah.